Before actually starting with the today's continuation part of lesson number 3.3, that is Stephen Hawking, we will have a quick recall session, okay, recap session. So students, I'll be asking you a few of the questions. You need to answer me in the chat box so that we be connected with our past and the current topic, okay. You all can refer your book, page number 115 and 116, for answering me the questions that I'm going to ask you all. My first question to you all is, Stephen Hawking was born on dash. Stephen Hawking was born on dash. Sanskrit is the first one to reply me. Very good. Other students are also replying it correctly. January 8th, that is 1942. My second question, you need to be quick. Huh? At the age of dash. At the age of dash, while studying cosmology at the University of Cambridge, he was diagnosed with dash. Very good. Most of the students you have answered correctly. At the age of 21, he was diagnosed with ALS. Can you write down the full form of ALS? Yes, Amish, correct. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Yes, Neha, correct. And even we have seen the video of this particular disease. How does it affect a human body? Next question. Part of Stephen Hawking's life story was defect in the dash. Part of Stephen Hawking, yes, in the film, in the year 2014, The Theory of Everything. Very good, kids. My next question to y'all is, A Brief History of Time was published in the year. Brief History of Time was published in the year. Very good, Sanskriti, Rutuja, Deepika, Bhumi. Read the text, read the correct. Drishti, Damesh, correct. It's in the year 1988. Next question. The Universe in a Nutshell was published in the year. Very good, Yashaswini. 2001. Neeraj, Deepika. Good. Swayam. Next. Stephen Hawking authored A Briefer History of Time in the year dash. Good. 2005. Very good. In dash, Hawking spoke against the idea that God could have created the world. In which year did you, in the year 2010? Very good. He was a dash by profession. He was dash by profession. Three things you need to tell me now. Yes. The correct answer, yeah. Sci- British scientist, professor, and author. Good. And he had done the groundbreaking work in dash. He had done the groundbreaking work in dash. Very good. Physics and cosmology. Good. Yes, Ria. Good. Physics and cosmology. Now, will you all tell me the meaning of cosmology? Write down in the chat box meaning of cosmology. Yes, the study of universe. Exact meaning I want. A little bit exact. Proper meaning. Yes, the science of the origin and development of the universe. Yes, Aryan. Good. Okay. So, till now, we got to know about Stephen Hawking's life and work, the books written by him, the topics covered in the book. Okay, till now, we were able to clear this much content. Today, we will be discussing about the facts about Stephen Hawking, the facts about Stephen Hawking's disease, tests completed on Stephen Hawking by the doctors, attitude of his towards the life before the diagnosis and after the diagnosis of disease. List of Hawking's physical inabilities after 1963. Effect of tracheotomy on Hawking. About the speaking program. About the programming, about the software. And last but not the least, about the Hawking's health condition, which had remained constant concern for the people who are near and dear one of his. We'll be analyzing line by line, as well as the new words also we are going to discuss. And last will be a recap part. Next thing, within his new Hawking set out a challenge to Sir Isaac Newton's, because Sir Isaac Newton had believed that the universe had to have been designed by the God. Now, what here over here Stephen Hawking is telling in this particular paragraph, we got to know that he is no more believing in that God has created this world, this universe, and he had discussed the same in his book, The Grand Design. He is telling us that it is not necessary to invoke. The word invoke means to call God, to call God to light the blue touch paper and set the universe going. Blue touch paper usually it means out of excitement or out of anger, but here it means like whatever the things are there. Am I audible now? Am I audible now? Okay, so blue touch paper over here it means that the Big Bang gave birth to the universe. So in short, he is telling that we should not get in the confusion, and we should not tell God that you have created. It's not important that necessary to call God and tell that you have created this universe and all. Okay, this universe have been done by its own, and is giving mainly credit to the science, that is main part is about the physics. Next part, I already told you that we are going to discuss about the facts about the Stephen Hawking's disease. At the age of 21, at the age of 21, Stephen Hawking was diagnosed. The word diagnosed means he was been identified by the nature of illness by examining the symptoms. He was been diagnosed by ALS. In a very simple sense, the nerve that controls his muscles was shutting down. At the time, doctor gave him 2.5 years to live. Now, what the doctor said? Doctor first started examining Stephen Hawking, and after diagnosing, they got to know that this person is suffering from ALS, and he is having only 2.5 years to live. So, by hearing this, Hawking was quite disappointed. Okay, and he was having hope to live. Okay, next thing, now we will get to know that how exactly Stephen Hawking got to know about his disease. Hawking first began to notice problem with his physical health while he was in Oxford University. When did he try to find out problem? When he observed, when he observed that he is having some issue with his health, when he was at Oxford University. On the occasion, he would trip and fall. Now, there is a difference between slip and there is a difference between trip. Trip and fall means what? Suddenly, because of weakness, when we are not able to balance our body, and when we fall forward on our hands and knees, is called as trip and fall. Is called as trip and fall. Or slur his speech. Slur his speech means what? You might have heard the word stammer, mumble, where the words are not clear at all. One word before, and it's very means we are not able to understand what front person is speaking. The person is not speaking clearly. Yes, the unclear speech. So here it means to speak indistinctly so that the sound run into one another. Okay, quite fast and not at all clear. He didn't look into the problem until 1963. Till 1963, Hawking had ignored this problem. He was not paying attention on this particular symptoms or whatever you can say the signs were been given. If we have some illness to a body, definitely our body will give us some sign, some symptoms. Like if at all I'm having cold, what I'll be having running nose, cough, chest congestion. So what are this? These are the symptoms, and this tells me that I'm having some illness. Okay, even Stephen Hawking got to know about his illness, but he had ignored this problem until till the year 1963. During his first year at Cambridge, for the most part, Hawking had kept these symptoms to himself. Now what happened, usually we don't discuss our health related problems with anyone of near and dear ones, if you call it as parents, friends, whoever it is. We just neglect it by saying, chalo, it's okay, it happens. But yeah, we are frightened, exactly. Sanskriti, correct, we get frightened and just don't share our physical or health related problem with our parents especially. And so over here, even Stephen Hawking did the same, as he was quite young, you can say age of 21. So he did not feel it as important as to share this thing with his parents. So he had kept his simple symptoms to himself. But you know, parents are parents. Whether we say anything or whether we don't say anything, they understand us and ourselves better than anyone. So his father, yes, they get to know, depending upon our behavior, depending upon how we were, how we are. Okay, so they know, they are our parents, right? So even over here, Stephen Hawking's father took notice of the condition. Took notice of the condition means what? To pay attention towards the health problem. He got to know that there is something with my son. And then father decided and took Hawking to see a doctor. To see a doctor means to go to the doctor, to visit the doctor. So Stephen Hawking and his father went to the doctor. Doctor had admitted Stephen Hawking so that the diagnosis would be done on him, and he was there over there for 2 weeks. Okay, so for the next, that is why in the text they have used, for the next 2 weeks, the 21 years old college student made his home at a medical clinic. Made his home at a medical clinic means what? For the 2 weeks, Stephen Hawking was there at the hospital itself. He didn't go home. Okay, yeah, he stayed over there. And the reason behind it was he where he underwent a series of tests. Underwent means undergo n number of tests, medical tests. That means examination of the part of the body was done, examination of body fluid was done for the medical purpose. So n number of tests was done so that people will get to know that what problem exactly this boy is going through. They were trying to diagnose the problem over here. Now next part, they now he's explaining us in double inverted comma, it is there. They're telling he's telling over here that they took a muscle sample from my arms, stuck electrodes into me. Electrodes means you can see in this particular picture. Okay, um you know clips, that clips was been stuck to his body so that they are able to examine him, and injected some radio opaque fluid into my in the spinal cord, some radio opaque means some invisible fluid kind of substance was injected in his body, and doctor was watching the fluid going up and down via x-ray. And even they tilted the bed. Tilted means what? Slant the bed. Okay, so he once said, Stephen Hawking once said, um, after all that they didn't tell me what I have. So what he is telling over here, the doctor didn't, after doing so many things, after taking muscle sample, after stucking electrodes on my body, after injecting some radio opaque fluid into my skin, after examining also, doctor didn't even tell me that what I am having, what problem am I facing, what illness I am having, what medical condition I am having. Instead of that, except means what? Other than, only one thing they told, they accept that it was not multiple sclerosis. It was multiple sclerosis means what? Abnormal hardening of tissue. And that I was an a typical case. A typical case means a very unusual case. So you are not having any types of we are not able to identify what exact problem you are having, but whatever problem you are having, whatever health related issue you are having, you are facing, is not the usual one. It is a very rare condition. Okay, till here do you have any doubt? Any doubt, any new word you didn't understood? Okay, let's continue to the next paragraph. I'm there on page number 117, second last paragraph. Eventually, however, doctor did diagnose. Doctor diagnosed means detection of a medical condition. Doctor got to know later on that Hawking was suffering with ALS. He was there at his early stage of ALS. It was devastating means a very shocking news, a very horrifying, or you say no, the news that disturbs us, news for his and his family. But a few events prevented him from becoming completely despondent. The next what they were telling, that yes, this news after hearing I was upset. My parents were even upset and they were very shocked, like how it happened, when did it happen. But if I compare my situation with someone else, then my situation I feel like it is like tolerable. As he was noticing some of the things around him, he said over here that he was not completely despondent. Despondent means what? He was not completely in trauma or in sadness. The first of this came while Hawking was still in the hospital. Now, even here, they have told few events, means few things he had noticed. And after noticing that few things, Stephen felt that there is not that, the things that is happening to me is not that bad. It is not that worse. First example is telling that the first of this came while Hawking was still in the hospital. There he had shared a room with a boy suffering from leukemia. Now, can you tell me the meaning of it? It is a disease in which the bone marrow and the other blood forming organs produce increased number of abnormal white cell. If we have time, yes, like blood cancer, but this is something different. Yeah. So yes, abnormal white blood cell. Yes, Sanskriti. So relative means what over here? Word relative means as compared to my roommate, my thing is more tolerable. He's telling. So relative to what his roommate was going through, Hawking later reflected his situation seemed more tolerable. Can you tell me the meaning of tolerable? Tolerable means yes, bearable. The person can bear. Not long after he was released. Released means what over here? Released from the hospital. Released from the hospitals means what? Released means what? Discharged. Yes, he was discharged from the hospital. Hawking had a dream. The very next day, when he had got discharged from the hospital, he had a dream. And that dream, whatever dream he had seen, he thought that yes, now it is a time where I need to execute my dream. Where I need to execute my dream. Hawking had a dream that he was going to be executed. Executed means to put into action, to actually implement it. He said this dream made him realize that there were still things to do with his life, yes, to perform. Now, what actually happened over here? He was, first of all, he was diagnosed with ALS. Secondly, doctor told him that you have a minimum of maximum of 2.5 years to live. Now, within 2.5 years, he had a lot of dream that he wanted to accomplish. So he decided that time is very less and to do work, I have to do a lot many work. Yes, he motivated himself. Yes, this what was like a motivation or boost up thing in his life. In a sense, Hawking disease helped him become the notable scientist. Now we are knowing this person as a scientist. Why? because of his work, because of his research activity that he has done, that he has given to us. Okay, so he is known, notable means he is known, he has got famous scientist because of this disease. Because after this disease only he was able to focus, and he started focusing on the activities that he had to do earlier. Before the diagnosis means before detecting that he was suffering from ALS, Hawking hadn't always focused on his studies. Hawking was not that focused. He was like, chalo, life is going on, we should enjoy. He was not even interested in studies. He felt like life is very 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 boring. Okay, I'll read the text now. Before the diagnosis, Hawking hadn't always focused on his studies. Before his condition was diagnosed, he had been very bored with life. He said, there has not seemed to be anything worth doing. Anything worth doing means what? He felt like there is no worth, there is no value of doing anything now. Okay, so next thing when the sudden realization means what? Sudden awareness. Okay, when the sudden realization that he might not live long, when he realized, when he was aware that he is not going to live long. Okay, he realized the importance of life, and he said time is very less, I don't have enough time, that I will earn PhD is a doctorate degree. Okay, so Hawking poured over here means what? Was occupied completely, he had occupied with the activity. Okay, conclude, focus, being focused into the work and research. Yes, deeply involved. As physical control over his body diminished. What diminished means what? Reduced. As he was not, as he was losing control. Physical control means muscular control over his body was reducing day by day by day. He was being forced to use wheelchair in the year 1969. In the year 1969, he was forced to use wheelchair as his muscles were completely weakened, and he had he was losing all over the control over his physical body. The effect of his disease started to slow down once he got on the wheelchair. Whatever the muscles were there, it was getting slowing down means what? Completely diminished at this particular point. Over time, over time is after time, after some period of time. However, Hawking's ever widening career was accompanied by an ever worsening physical state. Now what over here? He was blooming, he was growing, his career was increasing, he was achieving a lot many things in his career. But there was completely opposite condition with his health. His health was worsening, his health was not supporting him. So just imagine this dilemma, this situation where his career is at his peak, but his health is completely opposite of it. So yeah, organs started not functioning. That means what? So the things were accompanied means what? Going together. Career was blooming, career was growing. But whereas his health was diminishing. Accompanied means going together, the health and the career. Okay, the word accompanied meaning is clear. By mid means middle, by the mid of 1970s, the Hawkins family had taken and one of the Hawkins graduate student to help and manage his care and work. So now he's not able to do under not now he's not able to do any kind of activity. Okay, so what did Hawking's parents did? Hawking's parents asked one of his graduate students to help Stephen Hawking to take care of Stephen, to help him with his work. Second thing they have told over here, Stephen Hawking was able to feed himself. He was able to eat by his own hand. He was not dependent on the graduate child. Okay. Secondly, he was able to do some of his own activity, like get out of the bed. Get out of the bed means what? To come out of the bed. This two activity he was able to do, but rest other things he wanted someone's assistant, someone's help. But virtually, the word virtually means usually. The word virtually means almost all other things required help. The word virtually means what, students? The word virtually means almost. Yes, almost nearly each and every other activity required assistant, required help. Okay, now moving ahead. In addition, his speech had become increasingly slurred. Slurred means now his voice was like only his near and dear one were able to understand whatever he is speaking, but other people, it was very difficult to understand that what this person is speaking. So that only those who knew him well could understand him. Yes. In the year 1985, he lost his voice for good. For good means what over here? The word for good means forever. For good means forever. The word for good means forever. Now Stephen Hawking had lost his voice forever, permanently. Yes. And the reason behind is following a following over here means because it was a result of tracheotomy. Tracheotomy means what? You can see over here, I have put the picture for your understanding. And yes, an incision in the windpipe made to relieve an obstruction to breathing. Okay, obstruction to breathing. Okay, because of this, when he was undergoing this, the result it was that he had lost his voice forever and he was not able to speak at all. The resulting situation required 24 hours nursing care for the acclaimed physicist. Acclaimed means what? Can you tell me the meaning of acclaimed? Acclaimed means famous, known physicist. So he after this he had to be under the guidance of 24 hours nursing care. Nursing care means a professional nurse who is taking good care professionally of Stephen Hawking. Chalo, let's move ahead. And it till here the things are clear. Till it also put in a peril means what? Serious and immediate danger. Yes, good. Hawking's ability means what? Capability, you can say, or skill to do something, to do his work. Now whatever he was doing research work, he was doing a lot many work related to his physics. He was the author, he was the writer, he was a scientist. So his capability was in danger, his ability to do some work was in danger. How will he do now? The predicament caught the attention of a California computer programmer. Computer programmer means what over here? The person who is having good knowledge in programming, who does coding, who uses programming languages to create software. Okay, so as he was in such a situation and he was very known person, so this software from California got to know about him and he had developed a speaking program. A speaking program over here you can see in this particular picture, wheelchair is there and how wheelchair has been specialized. A speaking program who had developed a speaking program that could be directed by head or eye movement. Head or eye movement, head means nodding. Okay, there is a sensor on it which can capture the head movement, yes, no. Okay, eye movement as well. Okay, the invention allowed Hawking to select a word on a computer screen. They were then introducing, then passed through a speech Synthesizer means what? The sensor was there, and whatever he wanted to say, with the help of that thing, the machine was able to decode whatever the person is saying. Okay, can we move ahead now? An instrument that produces sound electronically. Predicament means a difficult or unpleasant situation. As you can see, is there on a wheelchair. This was a very difficult and unpleasant situation. Yes, he was, and whatever work he used to do was been affected because of his health condition. So, as his health condition was this, and he was a very well-known person, California computer programmer had developed a software called a speaking program. Okay, and with the help of this program, Stephen Hawking was able to speak or give his whatever he wants to say. It was possible because of this program. Okay, speaking, because of this speaking program with the help of eye and head movement. Okay, I hope the thing is clear. Yes. At the time of its introduction, Hawkins Hood still had use of his finger. Means introduction means what? At the initial state, when he was using this program, when he was using this feature, his hand movements, his finger was able to move. Okay, and he was selecting the word with the handheld clicker, like mouse we have. In the same way, this machine is having handheld clicker. Okay, with the help of it he was able to choose the word, and this electronically sound was been appearing so that people would know what the person is telling. At the time of its today, with virtually, now virtually means what? Students, tell me, what is the meaning of virtually? Yes, nearly or almost. Yes, almost all control of his body gone. Hawkins direct the program through a cheek muscle attached to a sensor. Now we can see over here his cheek is there. Near his cheek, one sensor is there. And we have cheekbones. You can touch your face and you can have that jawline type. Okay, because and top. Okay, with the help of cheek muscle he was able to he was able to click on the sensor, and sensor was able to decode whatever he is saying. Sensor means a device which detects or measures a physical property and records, indicates, or otherwise responds to it. Yes, correct. Now moving ahead, through the program and the help of assistance. Assistance means a person who is helping him, helping hand you can say. Stephen Hawking had continued to write a rate prolific rate. Prolific rate means what? Abundant. Yes, a lot many things he was able to write. His work had included numerous means number of, many, plentiful scientific papers of course, but also information from the non-scientific community. So he was able to write, with the help of assistance he was able to write n number of scientific papers as well as non-scientific paper. Non-scientific means what? That is not having a rational, or it is not having a scientific reason behind it. Scientific, different from scientific thing. Last paragraph, I'm there on page number 118. Hawking's health, of course, remain a constant concern. Constant concern means it was his health was still. No, here paper means research paper. Whatever you had done last year thesis, no, last year was it was a continuous concern, a worry that was heightened in the year 2009. A worry was heightened in the year 2009. Heightened means this health concern was there, like a troublesome in the year 2009, when he had failed to appear. When he had failed to appear means he was not able to attend the conference. At a conference in Arizona because of a chest infection. He had a chest infection because of which he was not not in the year 2009. In April, Hawking, who had already announced he was retiring after the 30 years from the post of, after 30, he had already declared that he is going to retire from one of the posts. Retire means what? He has completed his work uh, course and is not going to work for in future. Announced retiring after 30 years from the post of Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at the Cambridge University, and then he was rushed to the hospital for being what university officially describes as gravely ill. Gravely ill means was he was uh, quite ill. Okay, gravely ill means was very serious. Lucasian is the word professor. Okay, it was later announced that he was expected to make a full recovery. Means after this, he was expected that he won't be have any serious health conditions henceforth. And he passed away on 14th March 2018. So any doubt till here? Any word you didn't understood? Yes. So from this chapter, we got to know about the Stephen Hawking's life, his work, the books that he had written, and the topics covered in the book. Facts about Stephen Hawking's disease, test completed on Stephen Hawking by his doctor, attitude towards life before the diagnosis and how it changed after the diagnosis of disease, list of Hawking's physical inabilities after the year 1963 that included he was on wheelchair, he had lost his voice, effect of tracheotomy on Hawking, about the speaking programming, how with the help of speaking programming he was able to do all his activity, all his course, okay, and he was able to complete his research work, research paper, scientific and non-scientific both. Last, we got to know that his health was a serious concern. Because of it, he was not been able to attend few one of his seminar at Arizona. Then later on, we got to know that the thing he would have get recovered soon, and he passed away. Okay, when did he pass away? My first question is to you. On he passed away on, yes, 14 March 2018. Okay, so my next question to y'all is, in the mid of 1970s, what did the Hawking family do? In the mid of 1970s, what did the Hawkins family do? Yes, very good, Drishi Rutuja. In the mid of 1970s, the Hawkins family had taken in one of the Hawkins graduate student to help and manage his care and work. Very good. Thank you.